India-Bangladesh land dispute. India and Bangladesh share a boundary of nearly 4,096 km long. It is one of the longest international land boundary in the world. 5 Indian states, West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram share boundary with Bangladesh, out of which West Bengal shares the maximum length of about 2,260.70 km and Mizoram sharing the minimum of 318 km. India and Bangladesh have had a long skirmish over their boundary. But in 2015, both countries signed a land boundary agreement under which India transferred 111 enclaves to Bangladesh and in return received 51 from Bangladesh. But there is one enclave called the Mohori Char, which is still a place of dispute. So, in today's episode, we will explore the enclave called the Mohori Char and how this place is a geopolitical risk of uncertainty in India-Bangladesh relations. Before that, let me tell you that we make informative contents on topics related to politics, geography and history. So do not forget to like and subscribe. India-Bangladesh, the boundary line. Following the creation of Bangladesh in 1971, the Radcliffe Line was established as the demarcation line between the two countries. It was named after its architect Cyril Radcliffe, who was charged with the work of publishing boundary demarcation line between India and the newly created Pakistan. In 1971, after East Pakistan's liberation, Bangladesh came into existence and continued to share the same line as the border with India. Areas of contest. When Bangladesh became independent, the issue of transfer of nearly 162 enclaves became a matter of dispute. Enclaves are generally a portion of land within a larger territory whose inhabitants are culturally and ethnically distinct. For example, if you look at this map, you'll find many Bangladeshi enclaves on the Indian side and many Indian enclaves on the Bangladesh side. In 1974, PM Indira Gandhi signed a land boundary agreement with Sheikh Mujibur Rahman to discuss the transfer of at least 160 enclaves. While Bangladesh ratified the treaty, India met many opposition from various parties and the issue remained unresolved. It was only in 2015 that the fate of 162 enclaves were met with substantial settlement, but there is one enclave which hasn't been settled yet. That is the Mohori Char. Mohori River and Tripura. Look at the map of Tripura. There are total 8 districts, out of which Administrative Division of South Tripura District, Belonia, is the point of study. When the Mohori River flows through the district, it passes through Belonia subdivision and then merges with the Feni River in Bangladesh before it falls into the Indian Sea, the Bay of Bengal. In 1905, the princely state of Tripura became part of the new province of the Eastern Bengal and Assam and was designated as Hill Tipera. In addition to the Hill Tipera area, which corresponds to Tripura state, the kings retained a fertile estate known as Chakla Roshnabad, which became a zamindari estate under the princely rulers. At that time, it was only the revenue firm zone to exist on the fertile plain of the state. But during partition, this particular part of Chakla Roshnabad merged with the former East Pakistan of Pakistan state, while the hilly part of the area merged with the Indian state. At that point, the Mohori River became a natural boundary for both nations. Mohori Char. Gradually, the river's lower course began to deposit silt and large strips of land began to emerge in course of time. Till 1974, these strips of land became mature and it came to be known as the Mohori Char. The land is so fertile that cultivators from both countries began cultivation in the area and both India and Bangladesh claims ownership of the land. Disputes and beyond. The total stretch of the Mohori Char is about 62.27 acres, out of which 44.87 acres fall on the Indian side. The remaining area, measuring 17.4 acres, closer to Bangladesh but not in possession of any country. However, talks to settle the disputed boundary have been attempted many a times. The issue, however, could not be settled till date as the Indian authorities have been pushing for a fresh survey since 2016. India demands that Bangladesh should accept the midstream of the meandering border river as it existed in 2011 for the resolution of the dispute, while Bangladesh wants the issue to be settled according to the 1977 and 78 survey done in line with the 1974 Land Boundary Agreement. The argument for Bangladesh stance is that the Muhuri River, after the 1977-78 survey, changed its course inside Bangladesh, devouring a huge area in Feni due to a solid embankment and spurs built on the Indian side. Whatever the point of statement be, India and Bangladesh have a long history of cooperation and friendship. From India-Mujib Treaty of Friendship, Cooperation and Peace signed in 1972 till date, India and Bangladesh have maintained long economic, diplomatic and military and cultural cooperation.